Hi there. That looks quite heavy. Would you like some help carrying that across the street? Oh, you are such a dear. Thank you so much, honey. It is a bit more than I expected today.
It is such a beautiful day for a walk, isn't it, Mrs. Gable? Here we are, safe and sound. Is your house much further?
Just the third house on the right. You have a very kind soul, Lily. Your parents must be so proud.
Yeah.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful evening, Mrs. Gable. Oh, thank you, dear. You are so very kind.
What a perfect end to the day. Hello, Lily. It is so wonderful to see you again today. I brought a new story for the children. I think they will love the prince's journey. Is everyone ready for a grand adventure? Once upon a time, in a kingdom filled with golden forests. The prince stood tall and faced the giant dragon without any fear. It is a beautiful ending, isn't it? The children always find hope in that part. It really is. I hope it stays with them tonight. Thank you for coming, Lily. You have a gift for this.
Look, Ethan, I found the biggest one.
Here you go, Ling. This one looks like a roof.
Is this a door or a window, Ethan?
It's a whole castle now.
Whoa! Careful there, buddy.
We make a pretty good team, don't we?
Should we build a road all the way to the garden?
ba.